Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you a cool 1-minute scalping trading strategy. And you can use this trading strategy for either crypto trading or forex trading. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I'm using TradingView as the charting platform. And I'm looking at the Euro-USD pair right now and the 1-minute time frame, as you can see. And for the people that watched my previous video, this trading strategy is kind of similar, but I think that this is a little bit better and it's also easier to spot. So, alright, let me show you the indicators. We go to the indicator tab and we're looking for the whole suite indicator by in silico. So we click on that. And next we have the CCI, which stands for the Commodity Channel Index, and we click on that as well. We do not use the default settings, so we are going to adjust the settings. Over here, make sure to use the 60 length, 3-4 hours, and the line thickness needs to be set at 10. And if you want to change the colors, that is possible as well. Then you click on OK, and we go to the CCI indicator and make sure to use the 100 and the -100. You can play around with the colors. I leave it on default. And then make sure to use the 14 length, not the 20 but the 14th. Then we click on OK. This is what you will see. Over here we see the whole suite indicator, which always shows a red and a green color, and over here we have the CCI, and the CCI is an oscillator, which means that it is possible to have overbought or oversold situations. Alright, let me show you a buy signal. First we need to make sure that we have a green whole suite indicator color. As you can see, it shows a green color. Then we need to make sure that the CCI line crossed the -100. It is out of the zone, and when it crosses back into the zone, which is about here, for example, then we take the trade and we use a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio trade, and we place our stop loss below the latest low. You can place it about here. But if you are more conservative, you can place it about here. So let's say you place it here and the target has been reached about here, because we use a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio trade. If you were more conservative, you place it about here and then your target would have been reached as well, and that's about here. So this is a nice example of a buy trade. We look at the green color and then we drop down and we make sure that the CCI was oversold, and when it comes back into the zone, then we take the trade, and we easily made some money with this trade, a 1.5 risk reward ratio trade. Now I will show you a sell example as well. Okay, over here we have a red color of the whole suite. We drop down to the CCI indicator, and as you can see, now we need to wait for the line to go overbought in the overbought zone, and when it comes out of the zone, then we need to take the trade, which is about here. We go to the upside and see that now the whole line is changed to green, so we do not take the trade. The setup is invalid, so we move on to the next opportunity. We wait for the red line, or for the whole suite line to become red, which is about here. We drop down to the CCI. We see over here it is in the overbought zone, and when it crosses down in the zone, then below the 100 level, we see that there's a huge bearish engulfing candle. We grab the tool, the short position tool. We place our stop loss above the latest high, which is here, and we are looking for a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio trade, and that is about here. There was a nice winning trade. So this is an example of a sell trade. Let me show you one more example so it is really clear for you to understand. over here we see the green color, the green whole suite color, which shows the trend, the green uptrend. Then we drop down, we wait for the CCI to close below the -100 level, and then when it comes back in the zone, then we take the trade. So over here, this is our trade. We place our stop loss below the latest low, which is here, or if you are really aggressive, it is here. Let's say you place it about here, and then we are waiting for a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio trade, and that is about here. We're waiting for the trade to hit our TP, and that is about here. So yeah, it's really easy to understand. You look at the whole suite color, and then you drop down and you wait for the CCI to be overbought or oversold, and when it comes back in the blue zone over here, then you take the trade, as long as the whole suite color is congruent. So that was the strategy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments what kind of videos you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video.